I'm a big puss about getting sprayed, to be honest. I smell it already. Oh yeah, it's sprayed.
It smells like crap.
So we're gonna try to grab the skunk in a box without getting sprayed. I've read that you can kind of cover yourself here like this and try it. Most importantly, stay calm. Okay? I'm an expert. I've done this exactly never before until right now. Here we go. I'm a big puss about getting sprayed, to be honest. I smell it already. Oh yeah, it's sprayed.
It smells like crap.
Got it. Going back in. Did spray though, right? You smelled it?
Yeah.
I gotta breathe through my mouth, I think is the trick. Oh my god, that's so strong. That's so strong. Okay. Pause it for a minute. Okay. So we're gonna carry it over to the fence over there. We're gonna put it up against the fence. And then we're gonna try to open the door up. Prop the door up against the fence. Okay. I'm an expert, okay, at this. So definitely pay attention. Here, come over here. You're not gonna get sprayed because it's covered. But if you like a look, see how like the opening is? Here, just get close. You're not, hopefully you don't get sprayed.
Hopefully.
I already sprayed once, so I read that they can't spray a bunch of times, and it's tiny. It's like a little baby one. Just keep close. Keep a close view if you can. Okay, well, it's open here. You see it? Propped open. And you should be able to get out. There he goes. Oh, it's huge. It's much bigger than it looked. Holy cow. Much bigger than it looked in the cage.
Yeah.
I didn't get sprayed either. And he's out safe.